Have you ever felt the sharp sting of being ignored by someone you love deeply? It's as if your emotions are dismissed, your very presence invisible. No matter how much love and devotion you give, they never seem to place you first. You keep giving, yet their recognition never comes. But what if there were a way to change all this? A method to awaken in them an irresistible desire to value and prioritize you, just as you deserve? In the tapestry of relationships, each thread connecting two souls is delicate and unique. Sometimes, to protect that fabric, we need to weave a new narrative, one where your presence shines with the brilliance it was always meant to have. On this journey of self-discovery and self-love, I invite you to explore the fundamental rules that can transform your existence into an irresistible and captivating symphony. Today, we will unveil 9 essential rules to become irresistibly attractive, the kind of person others truly desire to keep in their lives. Each rule is crucial, and to fully grasp why they are the keys to reshaping the dynamics of your relationships, be sure to watch until the end. Rule number 1. Don't reveal everything at once. Become a mystery. The allure of the unknown is powerful, and within mystery lies your greatest strength. As Seneca wisely said, to be everywhere is to be nowhere. Be present, but maintain a veil of mystery like a book with subtly hidden chapters, inviting others to read on with growing intrigue. In conversation, don't rush to unveil your entire story. Instead, reveal pieces gradually, allowing curiosity to build in the spaces left unsaid. This turns your personality into an enigma, a puzzle they long to solve. Consider Cleopatra. Her legendary charm wasn't only about beauty or power, but the aura of mystery she carried. Let your actions and words unfold like a winding path in uncharted lands, a magnet that draws others in, urging them to unravel the depths of who you are. Rule number 2. Don't make them the center of your life. Picture yourself as a solitary star, burning brightly in the night sky, fueled by your own light and vitality. You have your own orbit, your own path, independent of anyone else. Don't let your world shrink to revolve around a single person, turning them into the epicenter of your existence. You have your own dreams, ambitions, and a distinct identity. When you hold on to this mindset, you not only protect your own value, but also inspire others to respect and cherish your unique presence. An enigmatic and magnetic allure. By keeping certain aspects of your life private, by holding on to your sense of freedom and adventure, you naturally spark curiosity in others. Independence doesn't distance you from people. It adds depth and makes the relationship richer. When you stop revolving your world around someone else, your presence and appeal only grow stronger. Living free from unnecessary dependencies allows you to keep evolving, contributing, and bringing a refreshing sense of freedom to your partnership. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe." This quote perfectly captures the importance of maintaining independence even within love. Take, for example, Sir Isaac Newton, a brilliant scientist whose discoveries reshaped humanity's view of the universe. Newton still managed to cultivate a vibrant personal life filled with friendships, passions, and personal pursuits. His ability to balance groundbreaking achievements with a strong personal identity elevated him, making him not only an outstanding scientist, but also a complete, admired individual. Newton's life shows us that preserving your uniqueness leads to harmony and fulfillment. Rule number 3. Create your own happiness. This principle highlights that real happiness is self-generated. It means embracing confidence, contentment, and independence, qualities that naturally make you more attractive. Instead of depending on others for joy, build your own sense of fulfillment. Those who radiate confidence and positivity are magnetic. When you find happiness within, you become a beacon of hope and inspiration for those around you. Creating your own happiness sends a powerful message. You are not seeking completeness in another person. You are already whole and satisfied on your own. As Seneca said, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence on the future. This is the very essence of cultivating joy within, to live fully in the now, without being chained to what is yet to come. Consider Theodore Roosevelt. Despite enduring unimaginable loss, losing both his wife and his mother on the same day, Roosevelt did not allow tragedy to break him. Instead, he chose to create his own happiness and strength. He pursued a life full of energy, with a robust character and enthusiasm that arose not from external validation, but from an inner wellspring of resilience and joy. Rule number 4. Be valuable and allow them to invest in you. Understand that you are a rare gem, something truly precious that others must work to appreciate. Your value lies not only in being present, but in being a meaningful and intentional part of someone's life. Remember, what is easily obtained is often lightly valued. True appreciation comes from effort and commitment. When others invest their time, emotions, and energy in you, their attachment deepens. You transform from a fleeting interest into a cherished presence. Your role is not to beg for attention or love, but to show that you are a meaningful, enriching addition to their life, someone worthy of sincere pursuit. Give them the opportunity to invest in you, and your presence will become a treasure they cannot afford to lose. As Seneca once said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a person perfected without trials." This reflects your true worth, not just to exist, but to be sought after and cherished. Consider the story of Alexander the Great and his teacher Aristotle. Aristotle was not just another tutor, he was a beacon of wisdom, strategy, and knowledge essential for ruling an empire. Alexander, known for his ambition and intellect, recognized Aristotle's value and invested immense time and effort in learning from him. Their relationship went beyond that of a typical teacher and student. It became a bond where Alexander saw Aristotle as a treasure trove of wisdom, worthy of pursuit and deep respect. Aristotle did not make knowledge easy to obtain. His teaching was rigorous, making it a demanding journey toward wisdom, and that very challenge made his lessons invaluable, shaping Alexander into the great leader he became. Rule number 5. Create the fear of missing out on you. Human nature often overlooks what is too easily accessible, but perspectives shift dramatically when there's a risk of loss. Imagine yourself as an irreplaceable presence, one that, if lost, would leave others filled with regret. We spoke about creating the fear of missing out on you, making others realize that your presence is not a given but a rare privilege to be valued. Now, let's look deeper into why this principle holds such power. You are not just another option on a long list. You are someone whose absence leaves a profound void in others' lives. And how is this achieved? By embodying true independence and self-sufficiency. Your life is already fascinating, complete, and fulfilling, even without anyone else by your side. This independence creates a natural allure, making people understand that being part of your world is not a basic right, but a privilege to be cherished. When you rely on yourself, you become a strong presence. Others begin to see that you're not someone chasing affection or attention, but a formidable influence in their lives. They will make more effort to be with you because you represent value worth pursuing. Skillfully foster this sense of fear of missing out on you. Encourage others to actively seek to be a part of your life by recognizing you as a treasure worthy of effort. Recall the dynamic between Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in Apple's early days. Wozniak, with his brilliant engineering skills and cutting-edge designs, was essential to the company's first successes. Jobs, recognizing Wozniak's unique contributions, worked tirelessly not only to collaborate, but also to amplify his impact. Wozniak was not just a co-founder, he was a vital force, whose absence would have dramatically altered Jobs' vision and Apple's fate. Rule number 6. Prioritize your own needs first. This rule emphasizes the supreme importance of putting your own needs and well-being above all else in any relationship. It isn't selfish, it's a declaration of self-worth. You must never allow yourself to be belittled, disrespected, or treated as less than you deserve. When you understand your true value, you refuse to compromise with anyone who fails to appreciate or respect you. Your happiness and self-esteem are non-negotiable. By prioritizing your own needs and happiness, you send a powerful message. You will not allow anyone to undermine your feelings or diminish your worth. In any relationship, you are an equal, with emotions and needs that matter deeply. You are not here to be overshadowed, nor to survive on others' approval. Your aim is to build healthy, respectful relationships founded on self-respect. And when you stand up for yourself, you become more attractive, stronger, and more influential in anyone's life. We emphasized rule number 6, prioritizing your own needs and happiness as a powerful declaration of self-worth. Now, let's take a closer look at why this principle is so vital for building healthy and lasting relationships. This rule is a reminder that your well-being and self-respect are supreme and must always come first. It means making your personal goals and interests a top priority instead of allowing yourself to be bound by others' expectations. Marcus Aurelius once said, "It is not events that disturb people, but their judgments about them." This perfectly echoes Rule 6, highlighting that it's not external circumstances, but your perception and response that matter most in relationships. It also teaches you to value your time, a precious resource that should never be freely dispensed at the whims of others. Instead, you must take ownership of your life story. Envision a life where you are not endlessly waiting, not anchored to someone else's expectations, but exploring your own universe. For those who enter it, being part of your world is not a right, it's a privilege. Balance is key. Avoid being perpetually available, always ready to answer their messages or meet their needs instantly. When you show that your time and focus are valuable, you become far more attractive. People are naturally drawn to those with passions and commitments of their own. Your independence sparks interest and makes them reflect on your worth. Constant availability only suggests they can access you at their whim. But remember, you are not just anyone. You are an investment. And for someone to truly have you in their life, they must put in effort. This is not about playing games, but about demonstrating that you live a rich, fulfilling life with or without their presence. Rule number 7. Cultivate the art of self-care and boundaries. As we continue our journey into the principles of healthy, respectful relationships, we arrive at another key factor: practicing self-care and setting boundaries. Just like Rule 6, this principle emphasizes the immense value of your time and existence. It begins with realizing that your time is a rare and precious resource, not something to be given away freely to meet others' whims. Self-care here means making your own happiness and needs a priority, a commitment that shows you treat yourself with care and respect. Writing the narrative of your life means becoming its author, no longer waiting endlessly for external validation. Instead, you choose your path, pursue your passions, and live fully on your own terms. Independence, balance, and valuing your time are all integral aspects of the previous rule. By not always being instantly available, you become more attractive and intriguing. You emphasize your unique value. You are not just anyone. You are an investment in any meaningful relationship. In essence, cultivating self-care and boundaries not only protects you, but also creates the crucial foundation for healthy, respectful connections. It perfectly aligns with the overarching principle: your well-being and self-respect must always come first. Rule number 8. Cultivate emotional balance. This rule highlights the art of maintaining emotional equilibrium, a vital step on the journey to becoming a true priority in someone's life. It underscores the importance of ensuring that emotions do not dominate the dynamics of a relationship, while your needs are both acknowledged and respected. Finding the right balance between expressing your feelings and maintaining composure is at the heart of this principle. Emotions are undeniably part of who we are, but excessive emotional expression can sometimes cloud your true worth. A serene and steady demeanor, combined with authenticity, allows others to recognize and appreciate your value more clearly. Rule number 9. Maintain self-respect and firm boundaries. The final rule emphasizes the transformative power of being willing to step away from relationships that fail to honor your worth. It underscores the vital importance of recognizing your value and firmly upholding your self-respect. Setting clear Boundaries and expectations for how you wish to be treated is essential in any connection. When those standards are repeatedly broken, it becomes imperative to find the courage to walk away, no matter how strong your emotional attachments may be. This is not an act of coldness, but a critical act of self-care, a testament to your refusal to compromise your well-being for someone who does not appreciate your true value. By demonstrating your readiness to leave, you send a powerful message. Your presence is not to be taken lightly, and if they wish to keep you in their life, they must learn to prioritize and value you. Your goal is never to cling desperately to unhealthy connections. Instead, it is to cultivate relationships that nurture your happiness, your dignity, and your self-worth. Healthy relationships can only thrive when they are grounded in mutual respect. Sometimes, this means summoning the courage to let go when a relationship no longer honors your worth. Such a choice is not weakness, but an act of inner strength, a decision born of clarity. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This timeless wisdom perfectly captures the essence of rule number 9, reminding us of the profound importance of prioritizing self-respect and personal values over relationships that fail to recognize our true worth. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If this journey into Stoic philosophy has enriched your understanding or supported your personal growth, please give this video a like so that others may also discover and benefit from these teachings. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the profound world of Stoicism. We deeply value your presence in this community and look forward to continuing this enlightening journey together. Until next time, stay steadfast, remain centered, and keep walking the path of wisdom. The journey through these 9 principles is not simply about becoming more attractive in the eyes of others. It is, at its core, a journey back to yourself. True magnetism does not come from appearances or clever words, but from inner strength, from self-respect, from confidence, and from the ability to live fully even when standing alone. When you place your self-worth above everything else, you not only transform how others see you, but also how you see your own life. You are no longer someone seeking validation, but someone who radiates presence and strength. The deepest meaning of these principles is this: you are already enough, already valuable, and worthy of being loved with respect. By embracing this truth, you naturally become a light, attracting relationships that are healthy, lasting, and truly fulfilling. Remember, the greatest allure comes from mastering yourself, living freely with happiness and continuous growth. Now tell us, among these 9 rules, which one resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective.